Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for watching Manny Scale Modeling. I know I said this is my last video, but I had to show this and my mistake on the Turbo Dork paint. I'll tell you why, and show a kit that I just got and quick little review on it. We'll open it up and look at it, but I'm not going to go into a depth with it. So be right back. Okay guys, so the Turbo Dork Miami Sunset, the issue was I didn't shake it up good enough or stir it. So I'll show you the spoon, and that's a lot better than what the bug turned out. That's awesome. Awesome color. And in person you can see the, you know, how the color shifts more, but it's hard to on camera. Still looks pretty good though. But anyway, tip that Greg told me, because I emailed him, is there's a little notch in the jar or in the bottle right there. You can pop that top off like that, and you can get in there with a mixing stick. I bought their silicone mixing sticks for acrylics, and they're nice because you can clean them right off, and or if the paint's dry on them, you can just you know, clean them with water or whatever, but it'll peel right off. But anyway, I stirred the heck out of this thing, and it was thick down at the bottom, which some of these paints are. You just gotta make sure you shake them good, stir them, and then just before you go to mix the paint, give it a good shake, you know, and then you should be ready to go. And then you can just put it back on, and it snaps right on. So awesome. Thank you, Greg, for the for the info on that, because I was totally lost. But anyway guys, this is the new one I just got, the MOPOWER Plymouth Funny Car. Awesome. Looks like it's awesome kit, man. Now I got to add this to my list of builds for 2025. Ooh, I got upside down. We're gonna open it up and check it out and see what's in it real quick. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so we are back. Cut it open on the bottom there, and we got a chrome tree. Pretty nice wheels. Our glass and side windows. Rear tires are 2-piece. They're like a rubber, and they already got the what do you call that? Pad printed, I think. Yeah, they're nice. And there's the parts for the back and the front tires. Pretty cool. And the body, we're gonna have to open that body up and check that out. Oh, your tube frame. Rest of your body panels, rear end. They look like the disc for the rims. Pretty cool. Paint those like a aluminum or something, maybe chrome or body color actually. There's the engine. Some interior framing parts, looks like. Pretty cool. Decals. Oh, let's take a quick look at the decals. Trying to rush, guys. I don't want this to be too long. Oh yeah, those are nice. I like those. Pretty sweet. Alright, let's open that body up. I want to see what this thing looks like. Oh yeah, that's cool. Body looks nice. It's already got the rivet things down there. Sorry about the light, guys. Get that sanded out. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Cool. So that's it, guys. Just a quick take a look at the MOPOWER Plymouth Funny Car and my big mistake with the Miami Sunset Turbo Dork paints. And that was it. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you next year.